Hey everyone, nice to see you guys, and thanks for dropping in. If you are dropping in, nice to see you. I am jumping in with a brief conversation with the universe, and it's about dealing with new situations. Now, pretty much in life, we are always going to be dealing with new situations. I don't know why we think that things are always going to be the same. Things are always changing. There are always going to be new experiences that we're going to have. So, in my conversations with the universe, I wanted to know what I could do about that. And I had a really good experience while I was in hospital where I could put this to the test. So, what I've been shown around dealing with new situations is that we are always going to be uncomfortable in new situations. The funny thing is that us knowing that actually allows us to deal with the new situations a lot better, because when we know that we're going to feel uncomfortable, you actually don't feel as uncomfortable when dealing with a situation. I'll give you an example. When I'm in hospital having CT scans, I had the awareness and I knew that this was a brand new situation. My brain was telling me that I'm claustrophobic and it's probably going to be a bit scary, and also that the nurses told me that I could have an anaphylactic shock result from the stuff that they put in me. So my brain kind of went a little bit crazy and I started to panic a little bit. But through my conversations with the universe, I knew that this was a new situation. So while laying there in the confined space, I then said, this is a new situation and I'm meant to be uncomfortable. What happens is that when you know you're going to feel uncomfortable, you will actually just start to calm down. What happens is your thinking brain, your logical brain, actually shuts up because it can't try and work out the feeling uncomfortable when it knows that you're allowed to be uncomfortable. So I'm just going to say, this is just a quick little jumping in. Hopefully I have some more time tomorrow to have a bit more of a chat with some of the questions you might have. But this is something that I was reminded of that I could share with you today, was that whenever anything is new, if you know that it's going to be uncomfortable, and if you tell yourself, I'm expected to be uncomfortable and I'm meant to feel uncomfortable, you watch what happens. You actually won't feel as uncomfortable, and you'll not go into the overthinking of what to do about it or anything like that. And you'll be more present in the moment, being able to deal with it a lot better. So that's what I'm going to jump in and say today. So give it a try. If anyone's got any experiences that you want to share with us, that would be awesome to hear from you. But just know that anytime anything is new, or anything that is new that's happening to you, you will always feel uncomfortable and you have to be okay with it. It just is. You're human and you will feel uncomfortable with anything new, and that's okay. So try that one and let me know how you go, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.